Welcome to Techie Dialogue. In this video, I'll show you how to reset icon cache on Windows 11, so you can fix broken or missing icons and refresh your desktop quickly. Let's get started. Step 1. Right-click on the Start button and open File Explorer. In the Explorer search bar, type %local app data % and press Enter. This opens the local app data folder where the icon cache file is stored. Step 2. Inside the folder, look for a file named iconcache.db. If you don't see it, click on View, go to Show, and select Hidden Items. Enabling hidden items is important because the icon cache file is hidden by default. Step 3. Once you find iconcache.db, select it and press Shift+Delete on your keyboard. Confirm the permanent deletion by clicking Yes. This clears the old icon cache and prepares Windows to rebuild it upon restart. Step 4. After deleting the file, restart your computer. Once restarted, Windows will automatically rebuild the icon cache, fixing broken or missing icons. This ensures all your desktop and taskbar icons display correctly. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more tips.